Hey traders, are you ready to learn a simple yet powerful strategy for intraday trading? Today we're diving into a dynamic method to capture market moves and book profits. Let's break it down step by step. Here's how it works. Watch for a 15-minute candle close in an uptrend. The moment you spot the candle closing higher, it's time to get ready for action. Place a buy trade with a stop loss, SL, at the low of the last candle. Important. Tip: sometimes the SL might range between 50 to 80 points, but guess what? That's also your target. Now comes the exciting part: setting targets. This strategy focuses on a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If the market is on your side, hitting the target becomes a breeze. Here's the golden filter to enhance this strategy. Just apply the 21 simple moving average (SMM) on your options chart. This helps you identify the momentum and confirms your entry. Before you dive into live trading, let's test the strategy safely. Paper trade it for 2 days, observe the signals, execute trades as per the rules, and note your results. Comment below and share your feedback. Let us know if this strategy worked for you. Remember, discipline and consistency are key to profitable trading. Happy trading, and may the markets be in your favor. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more trading tips, and hit the bell icon for instant updates. Let's grow together as traders. See you in the next video.